Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you fix your Mitsubishi Lancer air conditioner. Let's start by performing some essential initial checks. First, locate and inspect your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, visually examine the condenser and radiator for any leaves, bugs, or other debris that might be blocking air. Then, confirm your AC compressor clutch engages when the system is activated. Finally, listen carefully for any unusual sounds coming from the compressor or cooling fans. These simple steps can often reveal the root of many AC problems. Now, let's talk about refrigerant levels, a critical aspect of your AC's performance. If your system is blowing warm air, low refrigerant is a common culprit, often signaling a leak. You'll need an AC manifold gauge set to accurately measure the high and low side pressures. Keep an eye out for any oily residue on AC components, as this is a telltale sign of a refrigerant leak. For harder-to-find leaks, a UV dye kit can be incredibly effective, making the leak visible under a special light. Next, we'll delve into the electrical system, which is vital for your AC's operation. Begin by testing the AC compressor clutch relay. A faulty relay can prevent the compressor from engaging. Thoroughly inspect all fuses associated with the air conditioning system, replacing any blown ones. Then, check the blower motor and its resistor for proper power supply and continuity, as these control fan speed. Finally, carefully examine all wiring for any signs of corrosion, fraying, or loose connections that could interrupt electrical flow. Finally, let's discuss some of the most common component failures that can plague your Lancer's AC. A failing compressor is often the primary suspect when the system stops cooling entirely. The expansion valve can also become clogged or fail to properly regulate refrigerant flow. A condenser fan that isn't working correctly will significantly reduce cooling efficiency. Lastly, the evaporator core, located inside the cabin, can develop leaks or become blocked, leading to poor performance. Sometimes, professional diagnosis is the best next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.